basic, just TRX, ring suspension trader, whatever you want to use, just a static lateral hold. So one of the frustrations and limitations is being able and being comfortable about bringing our arm up. So when I'm doing this without any assistance or weight or anything like that, I have to bring it up against gravity, right? But passively working into our range of motion. So we do this oftentimes, like, well, we'll just like use the TRX to walk us through, you know, a range of motion that might not feel good. But being able to then hang and have some traction on the shoulder in various positions will help us also build up to that. Because your body, with that fear and hesitation, is always kind of like shrugging or bringing it in. So now, working at whatever level we can, so obviously this would be way more challenging, right? So we start just literally standing and just leaning into it and working on making sure we're not shrugging and dipping, but getting into a position that feels pretty comfortable that we can lean against. And then as that feels good, we're gonna walk further away, and then we're just gonna do an isometric hold here, okay? Ideally, we wanna keep working to a point where we have good control. I'm not shrugging the shoulder. I'm not actively like pinning it down. I'm just creating a good amount of tension to build strength and resiliency from that tugging motion. Again, we talk about training the shoulder in either compressive state or a distractive state, right? And it all revolves around that to some capacity. And depending on where you are in that journey, we have to start with something like this, as opposed to just getting you into position like this, which would be obviously way too much. So again, we start with like a farmer's carry or something like that, and then we start to work on that traction outwards to be able to facilitate being stronger and having more comfort in a quote unquote kind of larger range of motion or further away from our body, okay? So this is just a single arm side plank hanging position.